Do you use a boat loan or do you pull cash out of your house to finance a boat? This is a common question I get asked, and this is just my opinion. I would never use a house to finance a boat when they have collateral-based loans like boat loans to pay for them. So they use the boat as collateral rather than your house. And in a lot of instances, home equity loans or home equity lines of credit are variable rate. So if specifically home equity lines of credit, where it revolves and it changes every 3 to 7 years. So let's say you take out a home equity line of credit on a boat and you get a great interest rate. Let's say it's 5.99. Well, whoops, the prime goes up. Now it's 9.99. Whereas boat loans are fixed and they use the collateral of the boat to finance the boat with in conjunction of a little bit of cash down. But if something bad were to happen, you can forfeit the boat. Now, if you have a home equity line of credit, you have to forfeit your house. So hope this was informational. Hope this helped. If you guys have any questions, drop us a comment. Let us know what you think about this. And as always, don't hesitate to reach out on any boat related finance questions.